Good morning, dear aspirants. Today's news. India has successfully developed its first indigenous water-soluble fertilizer technology after 7 years of intensive research. Comes under GS3, Science and Technology. Breakthrough achieved after 7 years. Developed using Indian raw materials and domestically designed plants, and their projects aligned with the Make in India vision and is backed by Ministry of Mines. The process is zero effluent and emission free, addressing sustainability, environmental concern, a key reason it was flagged as project of national importance. Make in India initiative launched 25th September 2014 by the Government of India, Nodal Ministry, Ministry of Commerce, Industry, and Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. An objective: transform India into global design and manufacturing hub, boost domestic production, attract FDI and create employment. Make in India key objective: promote manufacturing sector, generate employment, boost investment and innovation. Additional Make in India objectives were skill development, infrastructure development, reforms under Make in India, the FDI liberalization, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016, Production Linked Incentive Schemes, Ease of Doing Business, Digital India and Startup India, National Infrastructure Pipeline. Cabinet approves incentive scheme for critical mineral recycling. Comes under GS2 Governance. Critical minerals. Minerals essential for modern technologies, that is EVs, semiconductors, renewable energy, defense, but with risk high supply due to limited availability and import dependence. Examples were lithium, cobalt, nickel, rare earth elements, graphite, tungsten, platinum group metals. Critical mineral recycling, the process of recovering and reusing critical minerals from end of life products and industrial waste. They were e-waste, catalytic converters, lithium ion batteries, end of life vehicles. Import dependence. Why recycling important for India? That is import dependence, energy transition needs, supply chain risks, circular economy, environmental benefits, economic security. Government initiative for critical minerals. National Critical Mineral Mission 2023, Cabinet Incentive Scheme 2025. Additional initiatives were PLI schemes, encourage battery and electronics recycling in India, extended producer responsibility, mandates companies to manage end of life products. RBI cancels September 5 banking holiday, reschedules to September 8. Reserve Bank of India via circular cancelled the banking holiday. The holiday is rescheduled to September 8. There will be no transaction settlements in government security market, money market, foreign exchange market. Reserve Bank of India established in April 1, 1935 under RBI Act 1934, nationalized in 1949, headquarters at Mumbai. Current Governor Satyakanta Das, 25th Governor. Objectives were regulate issue of currency, keep reserves to maintain monetary stability, operate monetary policy to ensure price stability, regulate banks and NBFCs for financial stability, manage foreign exchange and external trade balance, act as lender of last resort to banks. Functions: Monetary Authority formulates and implements monetary policy, uses instruments that were quantitative tools and qualitative tools. Functions of RBI: issuer of currency, issues currency notes under minimum reserve system except 1 rupee notes and coins issued by Government of India, ensures public confidence in the rupee. Functions: financial system, regulate banks, NBFCs, payment system, ensures soundness and stability of financial system. Administers Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999, manages India's forex reserves, promotes financial inclusion, Jan Dhan UPI, debt manager for central and state governments, ensures safe, efficient payment and settlement systems. Please practice this mock question. Thank you.